This one is called when you thought you've won, and this looks like some sort of X's and O's.
Yeah, tic-tac-toe game.
But robot version.
You might like this, Mo.
Okay.
Okay, so play the X on the side. There goes the O.
More like a stop sign, but yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Bingo, bango, bongo.
You lose.
So matter of fact with the line. Too.
Robot comedy. Robot comedy.
Oh, man.
It's just programming to, yeah, it's just so cool. So funny.
The sheets just move down.
Yeah. Basically, for those that are just listening, the robot goes outside the lines of the actual play area.
Oh, man.
In order to defeat the human.
Does it so matter of fact.
Yeah. The bot's like, I know how to do this.
Yeah,
go ahead,
so
take
easy.
that spot. I'll just go over here in a perfectly straight line. Awesome. Good stuff. Lovely. Thank you to everybody who joined us here today. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you to Will. Thank you to Mo. What a time to be alive, 2022. I got a busy weekend. I hope you do too. And we'll catch you very soon on the next episode. We'll see you on Monday, right? Mm-hmm. Right? We'll see you on Monday.
Yep.
Later.